To create a bar chart in SPSS, you will need to have your data entered into the program or open a data set from the textbook. In this situation, I'm going to look at party affiliation and the number of people within each political party. So in column 1, I just entered the 3 parties. Those are my 3 categorical variables. And in my variable 2, I entered the number in each one. You can go down here if you want to change labels or anything like that and go to the variable view. And within there, you can actually change their names. So that's kind of a style preference. I'm just going to change this to party affiliation, just so we know what each one is. I don't think I can put a space in there. Party affiliation. And this one I'm going to just do count, because that's what we're looking at. And notice how all that does is that changes the top name. So now we're just going to go into Graph and Chart Builder. If you get any of these messages, click OK. If you get the Scan Data one, you can click OK, or Scan Data, whatever the option is. Don't worry about those 2 pop-up menus. Down here, we're going to make sure we've got bar graph selected, and we're just going to do that very basic bar graph. So you're going to pick that and drag that up into the box. Once you've got that drug in there, for our x-axis in a bar graph, you will want to use the categorical variable, which is party affiliation. And for our counts, obviously we're going to choose our numerical values, or our counts. How many are in each party. And that's all you need to do for that. So click OK. And then you can scroll down on your output, and you should get something that looks like this. Just note, I am not extremely concerned with the labeling of graphs. That's not important for stats. Our big thing is that you can interpret the graph and explain to me what each distribution means, or what is going on. For example, in the bar graph, all you're going to be able to tell me is obviously which group has the most, which group has the least, and that type of thing.